Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Inknut for Dark Circles is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone battling persistent under-eye shadows, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes this particular product stand out from the crowd, exploring its unique formulation, user experiences, and whether it truly lives up to the hype in delivering brighter, more refreshed-looking eyes. Number 5. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Tired of puffiness and bags under your eyes? This cream is designed to target those concerns effectively. Experience a smoother, refreshed look. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it provides essential hydration to the delicate under-eye area. This helps to plump the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. It also contains niacinamide, known for its soothing properties. This ingredient helps to calm the skin and improve its overall appearance. A unique marine botanical complex works to revitalize the skin. It helps to combat the signs of fatigue, leaving your eyes looking brighter. This formula is oil-free and has been ophthalmologist tested for safety. It's gentle enough for daily use around the sensitive eye area. See a noticeable difference in the appearance of puffiness and under-eye bags. Achieve a more rested and revitalized look with consistent use. What we like. This cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide to deeply hydrate and repair the delicate under-eye area. It's designed to effectively reduce puffiness and bags. If you have dry or sensitive skin and are looking for daily hydration and a smoother appearance, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a game changer for dark circles. It really brightens the under-eye area. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. I've noticed a significant reduction in the appearance of my dark circles after just a few weeks of consistent use. Number 4. DERMORA Golden Glow Under Eye Patches. Tired of puffiness, wrinkles, and dark circles? Discover the secret to a more radiant you. These patches are designed to revitalize your delicate under-eye area. Experience deep hydration that leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. Achieve that coveted glowing look with every use. Specifically formulated to combat fine lines and wrinkles. Address your under-eye concerns effectively and see a visible difference. Each pair is sealed for optimal freshness and hygiene. Perfect for on-the-go touch-ups, ensuring you always look your best. Don't let travel dull your glow. These conveniently packed eye masks are your perfect companion for maintaining beautiful skin wherever you go. Incorporate these soft gel eye masks into your routine for a revitalized appearance. Enjoy a smoother, brighter, and more youthful-looking eye area. What we like. These patches offer an instant cooling sensation that helps depuff and refresh tired eyes. They are packed with hydrating ingredients to combat dark circles and fine lines, leaving your skin glowing. If you need a quick pick-me-up, travel often, or want a spa-like experience at home, these are perfect for you. What people say. This product is very effective in reducing dark circles. The texture of the product is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. It contains natural ingredients that are gentle on the skin. Number 3. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream. Are you struggling with dark circles, puffiness, or wrinkles? Our advanced formula is designed to rejuvenate the delicate skin around your eyes, making you look and feel more rested. This powerful anti-aging cream works to diminish the appearance of fine lines and under-eye bags. Restore a smoother, firmer look to your skin. Even if you have sensitive skin, you can enjoy the benefits of deep hydration. It helps to combat dryness without causing irritation. Experience a noticeable improvement in your skin's texture and tone. It's crafted to deliver visible results you'll love. Proudly made in the USA, our eye cream is formulated with quality ingredients. You can trust in a product that's made with your skin's health in mind. Rediscover the radiance of your eyes. This cream is your daily essential for a brighter, more youthful appearance. What we like. This eye cream is specifically formulated to be gentle, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. It works to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, bags, and dryness, promoting a more youthful look. If you have sensitive skin and are concerned about aging signs like fine lines and puffiness, this offers effective yet mild treatment. What people say. This product is a game changer for dark circles. It really brightens the under-eye area and makes me look more awake. I've tried many products for dark circles, but this one actually delivers on its promises. My under eye area is noticeably smoother and less discolored. The texture of this product is amazing, it's lightweight and absorbs quickly without any greasiness. It feels great on the skin. Number 2. LUMIFY Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Are you struggling with red, tired-looking eyes? Wish you could achieve brighter, more vibrant eyes with ease? Introducing LUMIFY, a revolutionary redness reliever designed to transform your eyes. It's formulated to gently reduce redness for a visibly brighter appearance. Experience the difference in just 1 minute. This powerful formula works quickly to alleviate redness, giving you the confidence of brighter eyes. Enjoy the benefits of brighter-looking eyes for up to 8 hours. Our unique formulation ensures sustained redness relief throughout your day. Achieve the radiant, refreshed look you desire. It's the perfect solution for anyone seeking to enhance the natural beauty of their eyes. This gentle yet effective eye drop is designed for your comfort. It provides a noticeable improvement in eye brightness without irritation. What we like. This product is designed to instantly relieve eye redness, making your eyes appear brighter and more awake. The effect is fast-acting and lasts for up to 8 hours. If your primary concern is red, tired-looking eyes and you want a quick, long-lasting solution to achieve a more vibrant look, these drops are the way to go. What people say. It has a creamy texture that glides on smoothly and blends easily. The color payoff is excellent, providing good coverage for dark circles. It lasts all day without creasing or fading. Number 1. Brickell Men's Dark Circle Under Eye Treatment Serum. Are you struggling with dark circles and puffiness under your eyes? Our advanced formula is designed to tackle these common concerns, leaving your eyes looking refreshed. This powerful serum works to firm the delicate skin around your eyes, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a more youthful look. Infused with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and vitamin C, it deeply hydrates and revitalizes the skin. These potent ingredients work together to combat signs of fatigue. Our unscented formula is specifically created for men's skin. It's gentle enough for daily use but powerful enough to deliver visible results. Say goodbye to tired-looking eyes and hello to a brighter, more awake appearance. Experience the difference it can make for your overall look. This is the ultimate solution for men seeking to improve the appearance of their under-eye area. Achieve smoother, firmer, and more radiant skin with consistent use. What we like. This serum is formulated with a potent peptide complex, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C to firm the skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles and wrinkles. It's designed to promote a more youthful and revitalized look. If you are looking for a targeted treatment to combat signs of aging and fatigue around the eyes, especially for men, this serum offers advanced ingredients. What people say. This product is a game changer for dark circles, visibly reducing their appearance within weeks. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, and provides a smooth base for makeup. Contains potent ingredients like vitamin C and hyaluronic acid that hydrate and brighten the under-eye area effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.